Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you a quick demo about how to set up keywords AI tracing with Vercel AI SDK. I have created this demo page. You can just use this link and provide your credentials here in order to just get an overview about what this is quickly instead of deploying yourself. But also I have provided you this GitHub repo right here. You can just clone it and play with yourself. So here are the examples. The first one is very basic. If we click this, and it will processing, and it only has an example input in Spanish, and we also provided some customer parameters like customer ID and some environment customer tag right here. And the execution is like we will detect the Spanish detect the language first, and we will generate the Spanish response. So it's right here. I don't know what it means, but I think it's probably fine. And the second is the tools. Because most agent tracing, you don't want to just use LLMs. You still have some function calls and tool use, etc. And so this is a pretty much simple demo how to use the tool calls and trace it. The example input is what is the weather, and so it will use the weather tool to get the location, temperature, conditions, etc. in JSON, and we'll pass this through to the LLM and give a finalized response. And the third one is the override span. So pretty much this is the same as the first one as a workflow, but what we did here is just changing the step name for each file. I'll show you later. So here, let's go back to our platform and I can show you each calls we just did. The first one is the basic workflow, and it has the two OpenAI generations right here. And if you click this blue thing and we click span, you can see actually the message from the user and the assistant. And if we go to the metadata, going down, and you can see the customer properties right here we just provided, and also the customer ID right here. And the second one is the tool call. We can see that they fetched the post from the OpenAI, and it did a tool call for the weather, and it summarized with a sentence. And the last one, which is pretty simple, we can see we override this span with our customer name, and you can also actually changing the information here if you want. That's pretty much the demo, and I want to show you how to quickly set this up. So we'll just clone this repo right here, and we'll yarn install, and we'll install all the dependency, and let's just run dev. So one more thing I want to tell you is if you have this env file in your local, you can just pass your keywords AI API key and OpenAI API key right here. So you don't actually need to paste them in the UI if you have any security concerns. And also, I know many people want to set this up in your current apps. So now I'm going to show you how to integrate this in your own apps. So the first step is just install the dependency. One thing is the keywords AI exporter, which is used to export the OpenTelemetry parameters into keywords AIs. And the second one is the OpenTelemetry instrument. It's like the dependency from the OpenTelemetry. And you need to set up an instrumentation TS in the root. If we go back to the apps we just demoed, you can see I already set this up here, right here. And that's going down. And you need to configure your environment variables as I just said. And the last step is in your API routes, you need to enable this OpenTelemetry experimental right here. And if we go to the apps we just did right here, we have the basic workflow, and in step 1 we have this enabled right here, and in step 2 we have this enabled as well. So that's pretty much the demo for how to set all of this up. If you have any questions, I suggest you to join our Discord right here and ask any questions inside. We will be in touch with you very soon. Thank you.